July has come to an end here in South Georgia, and it was the sixth all-time hottest. We ended with many hot days and very humid, the second most humid July ever recorded. So it has felt a lot like summer. It has been oppressively hot and humid, and today we'll do it again. But today is likely the last day of that, as temperatures will drop to near average tomorrow and then well below average on Sunday, with lots of rainfall too. And that rain will start as early as this afternoon with some scattered thunderstorms. We start off in the upper 70s on this Friday morning. We'll get in the mid-80s at 10 a.m., low 90s at 1 p.m., and kind of top off in the mid to upper 90s. Again, the last 2 days we were at 99. Heat index was well over 105, and we'll do it again today. You can see those heat index numbers climbing into the 90s by 9 and into the hundreds by midday and kind of hanging out there. But you will notice showers and storms starting to fill in on some holes in that heat index value, dropping it below that 100-degree mark. Those scattered thunderstorms will continue through this evening. Temperatures go from the upper 80s to the low 80s, and then for tonight, we'll see the rain chance drop off to 40%, 76. If you have anything to do this weekend, the earlier on Saturday that you can do it outdoors, the better, because things are going to turn awfully soggy as we head into the rest of the weekend. So there's the front doing the shower and thunderstorm dance on us today, scattered in variety. We're still in the warm and humid air today and tonight, but watch what happens as front will slide on south and the showers and storms really get cranking here as we head into Saturday afternoon, Saturday night. Sunday, cooler air. We're going to see temperatures in the low 80s with the cool spots in the 70s. Highs, and again the record is 80 for the coolest afternoon on that date here in Albany. We're forecasting a high of 82, so that is almost record cool afternoon temperatures for our area as that front continues to sag south. We do also have a little bit of a wedge trying to set up too, which always brings us a cool down from southwest to northeast, northeast to southwest I should say. So the rain chances are going to remain high really through the middle of next week, and temperatures are going to remain below average through that period as well, starting on Sunday. But let's get you through Saturday. We do have a marginal risk for severe thunderstorms, highlighted here in the green. That's area-wide, 5% chance of damaging winds. But we have a slight risk for flash flooding area-wide, which would be highlighted in yellow. So that's a higher threat for flash flooding, 2 to 3 inch rain rates per hour. We'll be watching that very carefully on our Saturday afternoon and evening. Rain chances as high as they can be this time of year, 76 to 92 on Saturday. Heat index likely still over 100, but with that rain coming in the afternoon, it'll definitely cool things down. And speaking of cooling things down, look at that high, 82 on Sunday. Rain chances remain high, 80% on Monday, still in the low to mid-80s, and still in the mid-80s on Tuesday. So definitely not pool weather, that's for sure. Again, maybe in the morning till around lunchtime you can hit the pool, and then that pool is going to be overflowing because we're expecting 2 to 4 inches of rain. Some areas could get as much as a half a foot of rain from Saturday on in through the middle of next week. And we'll talk all about it on Today in Georgia from 5 to 7 a.m. I hope you join us then.